downloaded the Folded Home client for protein folding simulating as a tie-in with other computers around the world to work out the problems with proteins, architectures, and how they work on the human bodies, and what things we may be able to do or create in the lab to fight proteins with specific structures. What it does is it teases out the structures of the proteins that have a malevolent kind of action on our bodies, and so we can work out ways of attacking these proteins, these viruses, the bad buggy things. And it takes a lot of computer resources to do all these calculations, and even with supercomputers it's very difficult. So this is a crowdsourcing way of allowing computers all over the world to work on little bits and pieces of these proteins and deliver the results back to another computer. I see that Stanford is involved with it, Washington University is involved with it, and given this COVID-19 thing, I can't think of anything I can do to help cure the disease except do this. There are only a few ways to really deal with the pandemic. Social distancing is one thing, and we can hope that a seasonal change will kill off a lot of the viruses. I read that the sun works pretty well, but those things, letting it run through the population and having antibodies build up for certain people and having other people die, which I don't want that to happen either. The only other real thing to do is find a cure. And I've got to admit I feel very helpless in this situation, and this is the only thing I can think of to really help in a global kind of way. So I promote anybody and everybody downloading this software to their computer, so that your computer, you can leverage your computer in with the other computers around the world that are using this, and maybe we can find a cure this way. That's it. Thanks.